is to keep, see how there's space in between the head and the...
Right now?
Yeah,
yeah.
And the elevator. So you have to keep it even as you're squeezing these together.
That's not my forte.
Do you want to watch me do one?
Are you videoing this?
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead.
It's actually ring it to where you can see. Okay, who wants to watch and tell me? Down. That'll do, big.
Put it to, there you go. There you go. You're left-handed, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're pushing up with your right hand. Squeezing with your left.
Wait, my left hand's not strong. I need to go to my
You'll be
right.
fine. You'll
no,
be
my
fine.
right hand's my predominant hand.
Okay.
Okay?
Yep.
How's that? I can't even see the rivet.
Just push hard. You'll be fine. You'll get a couple squeezes before it's tight. And then let it go again. And then it resets. There you go. So keep pushing with this hand.
Okay.
I'll tell you if it's crooked. There you go. Pull hard. You can do it.
Good?
Beautiful.
Good
All
job.
right.
Cool.
You can